Amazfit has introduced the Amazfit Active 2. What's up friends? Welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. Amazfit Active 2 comes in standard and premium editions with an AMOLED display and premium stainless steel frame. The Amazfit Active 2 features a lightweight design. The smartwatch boasts a 1.32 inches display with a resolution of 466 by 466 pixels, and it uses 2.5D tempered glass with an anti-fingerprint coating for durability and is water resistant with a 5 ATM rating. The Amazfit Active 2 is equipped with a 270 mAh battery, providing up to 10 days of battery life with typical use and an impressive 90 days in battery saver mode. In terms of connectivity, it supports Bluetooth 5.2, allowing pairing with devices running Android 7 or above and iOS 14 or higher. The Amazfit Active 2 comes with an inbuilt microphone and a speaker for Bluetooth phone calls. It also supports 5 satellite positioning systems. The Amazfit Active 2 comes in 2 versions. The standard model is available priced at $100, while the premium version is priced at $130. That's all for now, and thanks for watching.